We all know moving can feel like an uphill battle. But with Cactus Moving we turn that mountain into a molehill. Making your transition seamless and stress-free is our promise. In the heart of winter, every minute counts. At Cactus Moving, we value efficiency. But, we also care about the sanctity of your home. Our floor runners ensure that, even when we're speeding up the process, your floors remain pristine, safe from the winter's dirt and grit. Did you know that fine particles and moisture from shoes can damage flooring over time? Our floor runners are specially designed to shield your floors. One important step in the moving process is documenting any pre-existing damages to your belongings. This may seem like an unnecessary task, but it can save you a lot of headaches down the road. By taking pictures of pre-existing damages, we are creating a visual record of the condition of your belongings before they are moved. This is important because if any new damage occurs during the move, we will have proof that it was not pre-existing. This documentation can protect a moving company from false claims and ensure that any damages that do occur are properly addressed. When it comes to packing fragile items, we use high-quality materials to ensure nothing will get damaged during transportation. When packing fragile items such as glassware and dishes, glass shelves, vases and anything breakable, we use packing paper to provide cushioning and prevent breakage. We label each box with its contents and destination to ensure that everything arrives at the right place. Our skilled team is proficient in both disassembling and reassembling furniture. From large tables that won't fit through doors to complex bed frames, we ensure a smooth transition. We will disassemble, wrap, transport, unwrap, and then expertly reassemble your items at your new house or condo. Save yourself the hours spent puzzling over assembly instructions. Let us handle it for you. Moving a TV can be a delicate process, and our movers take special care to ensure that your television arrives at its destination safe and sound. The TV is then packed securely in a specialized TV box for safe transportation. Upon arrival, we carefully unpack and reassemble the TV, and turn it back on to ensure that it has arrived in the same condition it left in. When it comes to wrapping furniture, we use moving blankets and plastic wrap to prevent any scratches or damage. We use stretch wrap to wrap anything that can open or is loose or close to breaking to make it stronger. Wrapping mirrors in moving blankets isn't just about cushioning. It prevents scratches, absorbs shocks, and ensures your reflection's next reveal is flawless at your new place. At Cactus Moving, handling big sectional couches is an art. We first disassemble them for easy maneuvering. Depending on the layout, we might wrap them before or after moving through the door, ensuring each section remains pristine. It's all about precision, care, and the perfect fit. Think of moving as a strategic game of Tetris, and we're the experts at it. We move heavy and light items around, ensuring every inch of our truck is utilized to perfection. Our rule of thumb? Heavy boxes always form the base, with lighter ones perched above. And don't worry if you see a new face in the truck. Even if they weren't the ones packing in your home, they're always read and respect every label. With us, a box labeled "Books" will never threaten the safety of your precious kitchenware. Your belongings are in expert hands. Once we arrive at your new location, our crew unloads the truck and starts unpacking. We'll make sure everything is in the right place, and everything we took apart will be assembled back for you. If you got new furniture in boxes, we can help you to assemble and put it in place. Details matter, especially when it comes to safeguarding your cherished furniture. Why is the lighter side of the blanket on the inside? It's a small touch we've adopted. The lighter side is typically cleaner and ensures it's the only part that comes in contact with your furniture. We always aim for perfection, down to the smallest detail. At Cactus Moving, we take pride in providing top-quality moving services to our customers.